Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about remote virtual assistant jobs. If you're working as a virtual assistant, I need to tell you something very important. That is not what you want to hear, but you need to hear.
This could be something that might make you uncomfortable, but I'm not here to sugarcoat this or sell you a dream.
Today, we're talking about the brutal pay gap that exists between virtual assistant work and customer support roles.
Let's start with what nobody talks about. What VAs actually earn. While you're earning $4 to $8 per hour as VA, people doing similar work in customer support are making $20 to $30 per hour.
Let's talk about why this gap exists and show you how to use your existing VA skills to potentially increase your income even higher.
So hit that subscribe button, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to your next career move. Without any further ado, let's get started.
So why does this massive pay gap exist? First, global competition. A global workforce creates a race to the bottom, where geography no longer protects your wages.
Second, perception of value. Customer support directly impacts customer retention. Every unresolved ticket risks losing a customer worth thousands of dollars annually. Virtual assistant tasks, while helpful, are seen as optional. Administrative work can wait, customer issues cannot. Third is measurability. Measurable support metrics like resolution times directly show ROI, justifying higher pay.
Fourth is scheduling. Specific business hour coverage demands reliability and commands premium pay, unlike flexible VA work.
The pay gap is only part of the story. Let's talk about the hidden costs of VA work that destroy your actual hourly rate.
Think about all the unpaid hours you spend.
Marketing yourself, onboarding new clients, sending invoices, chasing payments, learning new systems. But after doing all of that, most VAs discover that when they track everything honestly, their actual hourly rate is about half their quoted price. There's the income instability. The feast or famine cycle is constant. Client budgets shrink. Businesses downsize. Projects end. You lose 50% of your income overnight if one or two major clients disappear. And there's no paid time off, no sick leave, no benefits whatsoever.
You're also developing shallow knowledge across many areas instead of deep expertise in one valuable specialization.
1 hour you're doing data entry, the next you're managing social media, then scheduling appointments, then doing market research. You're constantly learning new systems without mastering any of them. This generalist approach keeps you trapped in low-paying work. But here's the good news. Your virtual assistant experience already qualifies you for these higher-paying customer support roles. Every difficult client conversation you've navigated, every email you've carefully crafted, every problem you've solved under pressure. Explaining things clearly, managing multiple clients with different systems, all these make you ideal for customer support work. Understanding customer needs and adapting your communication style. That's quick learning ability. Figuring out unfamiliar platforms quickly, organizing complex schedules and managing data, that's systems thinking. But remote work also requires some specific skills that set top performers apart. Written communication becomes even more critical when you're not face-to-face with customers or teammates. Needless to say, you need to be clear, concise, and professional in every email and chat message you send. Self-motivation is also huge because nobody's looking over your shoulder making sure you're staying on task.
And tech proficiency? Absolutely essential. Let me walk you through the tools you'll most likely use daily.
You're familiar with project management software, communication platforms, CRM systems like Trello, Zendesk, Slack, and HubSpot. And here's a beautiful thing about remote work. Geographic arbitrage, a real income multiplier. The absolute superpower to earn Silicon Valley salaries while living somewhere with much lower costs. So you now know what's out there. But how do you actually find these jobs and get hired? Step 1. Stop looking for remote jobs in wrong places. Generic job boards simply waste your time.
We may be biased, but signing up for our free Remote Job Central newsletter can be your best choice. And of course, you don't have to take our word for granted. Please see our reviews.
Step 2. Recruiters actively search LinkedIn, so make yourself findable. Load your profile with relevant keywords. Step 3. Your resume needs to communicate value quickly. Recruiters spend less than 6 seconds on initial screening. Step 4. Thoughtful cover letters differentiate you from other candidates. Research the company, mention why their mission excites you. All right, let's wrap this up.
The competition is global, but the opportunities are absolutely real. By developing the right skills and crafting targeted applications, you can build a rewarding career from anywhere.
Your dream remote role is an email away. What are you waiting for? Now it's time to take action and make it happen.
Sign up for our free Remote Jobs newsletter to get exclusive access to curated remote listings directly in your email inbox. Stay informed and explore resources like our Remote Jobs Central blog for the latest information about remote jobs.
What's your thoughts on this? Please share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time watching this so far. I'll see you on the other one. Take care.